This is amazing. It's only been 14 days and we have the lawn of the century. I feel like we have a national park at our front yard, right? We're ready for short shorts, picnics. I'm talking about grass angels out here. Oh.
What are you talking about? Our lawn is literally gone.
Yeah, it is a little parched out here, but it's okay. It's okay. We have to trust the process. So say it with me. Trust the process.
Trust the process.
Fescue to the rescue.
Fescue to the rescue.
Yeah! What's up, family? I'm Chris.
And I'm Yvonne.
And we are Reclaim Karma, back in our front lawn with Scott's and Home Depot.
So it's been 14 days since we applied our Ortho Ground Clear, and it did its thing.
That's right, the lawn is gone. And we installed a full irrigation system.
So next up, we need to get to mowing and collecting those ground clippings.
And then we're gonna till and soften the earth.
So we can plant our baby seeds.
But let's get to work, baby. So mowing is an essential part of the process. We're gonna capture all of the old clippings in the bag so they don't get back on the lawn. Make sure you do a 50-50 coverage though. So not 50-50. So the purpose of tilling is to prepare the ground to receive the seed. You want to make sure that if your ground is hard, you get something more robust, like this big boy tiller right here, and really loosen up the ground so that it's ready to get the seed. Otherwise, all you have to do is go with a handy-dandy rake and just scratch the surface.
We've finished tilling, now it's time to get to seeding.
That's right, and to get the job done, we're gonna be using Scott's Rapid Grass because it grows grass 2 times faster.
We'll have green, beautiful grass in just a matter of weeks.
Right, and make sure to check the back of your bag for the appropriate seed spreader setting.
Home Depot has a grass seed calculator that helps you to estimate how much product you need for your project.
And to protect those little baby seeds, lay down some straw to keep them in place and keep all the moisture in. So phase 2 is just about completed. Now we've just got to fire up the irrigation system. You see, we've got our seed down, we've got our straw down to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now all we have to do is just fire it up. Moment of truth. Let there be water. Make it drizzle. You're gonna wanna water your grass 2 times a day for the first 3 weeks. And let Mother Nature do what she does. So seeding is done.
I think it went really well.
I think it did too.
We got mowing done.
Check.
Tilling done.
Check.
We seeded.
That's right.
And we have about 2 weeks that we need to wait.
That's right.
Until we start seeing
little baby grass coming up. So make sure you keep it locked in for our next episode,
where we'll be filling in any bare spots and planting.
That's right, and shout out to Scott's for their rapid grass that grows 2 times faster than regular grass. It's going down, baby. We are trusted in the process. Fescue to the rescue.
We'll see you next time. Grow for mama.
Grow, little babies, don't say a word. Papa just bought you a new lawnmower. Grow, baby, grow. Grow up to be who you're supposed to be.